Hi, today we're gonna be changing the screen for a HP G series that we bought online on laptopscreen.com. And the first thing we do is basically we remove the battery. After removing the battery, we have to remove two screws. They're down here. They're pretty easy. Basically have to remove this from here to have access, and remove again from here to have access to the screws. Then we unscrew this from here. Screw there, come here, remove the screw here, and we use something plastic to basically remove this so we don't damage the computer itself. Basically when we put it in, it will snap right out of it. So we start from the bottom, snapping it. And then pretty much it'll come out by itself once you snapped it. Comes pretty easy out. And there you go. We just removed it. Now what we're going to do, the second thing is we're going to remove the screen. First we remove the screws from the bottom. First find it. And remove the little screw that doesn't want to get out. Then we can remove the screens from here on the top. And if you want, you can remove the screws from the top first. It'll make it easier for the ones on the bottom because you can just pull it a little bit. Now we pull this so we can remove the one on the top, and you got to be careful with the other cables that are connected. Remove it from here. And the screen basically pops right out. Now you want to have something here, which I'm going to get now so it doesn't damage the screen. This you need something to put there so you don't damage the other screen basically. And you try to put it in. You snap this. There's a little tape here which basically unscrew here. There you go. And now you just from the back take this out too, and you snap it out. And there you go. That was removing the screen. Now we put it here. And we get the new screen out. We make sure that with the other one is the same. Perfect. So what we do now is we just snap it back. Really careful. There we go. There we go. pull it. So to there. We also snapped in. We put it here. Gotta make sure it sticks there. The cable sticks really good there. And we lift it up. Spring. I already removed the top portion of it. I like to do is, since this was glued there, just put it there. And just place it back in place. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is leave this here just in case. And I usually like to start with the top screws. There's one. Oops. A little bit tricky when you're videotaping it and at the same time. In this case, put a little bit, put it in here. There we go. Very secure. Now we go with the bottom. That's how I take this out. Pull it for the bottom. And you gotta be real careful with the screwdriver. The other one, we'll unscrew. Same thing happened again here. Turn it a little bit so you can see better. And what happened is that the screen came out a little bit, so the screw basically is, there you go. Now, here's the screw. What I suggest doing is holding this there, and go there, and there we go. Oops, not again. Looks like this one's going to give me a little bit of a hard time. There we go. sure that screws in. This one has given me a little bit of a hard time, just because there's a cable there. That's good there. So that's done. So we got the screen there. Now the other part we're gonna do is we gotta screw the top. And this is my first time doing this, so and actually I put the wrong screw. Are the ones. There we go. Now we put the snap first from the bottom, then top. Press gently. Sure. Press from the back. Just make sure it is pressed. And the last screws we place in the bottom. We close. We turn. Put the battery in place. Turn computer on. And there's the screen.